Good morning dear students. Today in this video we will study about the solubility. What is solubility? Suppose we take 100 gram of solvent or 100 ml of water or 100 gram of water. Now we will say that how much amount of solute, that is sugar, can be dissolved in this 100 gram of water. We will see that, and as much amount of sugar will be dissolved in this 100 gram of solvent is known as solubility at that particular temperature. So the amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent at a particular temperature is known as solubility of that particular solvent. Now suppose 100 gram of water you have taken in this beaker and you are adding sugar crystals. Suppose these sugar crystals easily dissolve. Now you will put more sugar crystals and you will see that those sugar crystals, they are also dissolved in it. So that is when the amount of sugar is able to dissolve in the water, that is known as solubility. Suppose 20 gram sugar is dissolved in this 100 gram of water. So solubility of water here is 20 gram. Now, so the amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent at a particular temperature is known as solubility of that particular solvent. When we increase the temperature, the solubility can be increased. So we can say that solubility depends on temperature. When we increase the temperature, kinetic energy of particles also increase. Due to increase in kinetic energy, the space between particles also increases. Due to increase in space between particles, solubility also increases. It means when temperature is increased, the gap between the particles increases, and in that gap, the sugar particles can occupy the space. So in this way we can say that solubility depends on temperature, and on increasing temperature it is increases. Now saturated solution. Suppose you add more sugar and that is dissolved, and then some more sugar, it is also dissolved, but after a time sugar is not dissolved in it. So this condition is called saturated solution. Now solution has come to the saturation, and this point is called saturation